How long does it take for Facebook to restore a deleted dating profile?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important question that many of you have asked. How long does it take for Facebook to restore a deleted dating profile? While the exact timeline can vary, we'll guide you through the general process and what you can expect.
Does Facebook actually delete your dating profile?
First off, it's crucial to understand what happens when you delete your Facebook dating profile. Unlike some services, Facebook doesn't immediately erase your data. Instead, they may retain your information for a certain period, typically around 30 days. This grace period is designed to help you recover your account if you change your mind.
What is the typical timeline for restoration?
Once you request the restoration of your profile, the timeline for recovery can vary. However, based on user reports, the process usually takes anywhere from a few hours to 48 hours. This time frame depends on factors such as the amount of data to be restored and Facebook's current server load.
How to request the restoration of a deleted dating profile?
To request the restoration of a deleted profile, you'll need to go through the Facebook Help Center or directly from the Facebook Dating section if it's still accessible. 1. Navigate to the Facebook Help Center or Facebook Dating section. 2. Look for options related to Profile Restoration or Recover Deleted Profile. 3. Follow the prompts to submit a request for profile recovery. Please note that the restoration process only works during the grace period of 30 days. After this period, Facebook permanently deletes your profile and any associated data, making recovery impossible. In summary, the restoration process for a deleted Facebook dating profile is usually completed within 48 hours, but you must request it within 30 days of deletion. We hope this information helps you better understand the process and sets clear expectations. Remember to think carefully before deleting your profile, as the decision becomes permanent after a month. Happy dating, and we'll see you in the next video.